Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Want this story? Let's start. First, open Instagram. Go to search option and search Techmuster. Tap on the first profile. Now go to my highlight called Add Yours. Tap on to get the sticker. Now tap on Add Yours option. Now go to Gallery and add your photo. Now adjust the sticker according to you. Now go to text and write your age. Then tap on Done. Now adjust the text according to you. Now write your height and do the same process. Now go to sticker and search your zodiac name. Like I search Cancer as my zodiac name. Now add the sign of your zodiac. Now go to sticker again if you want to add music. Now tap on music. Now add any favorite music you like. Tap on Done. Now adjust song sticker according to you. Now tap on your story to upload your story. Now your story has been uploaded. You can check my highlights for all trending stickers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.